Subtraction means take away or remove, or we say minus. We take away the red car from the 4 cars that we have before. Now we have how many cars left? We have 3 cars left. Do you know what this is? Yes, you're right. Slices of bread. I know you love to have bread for breakfast, isn't it? Or maybe you don't. But here we have how many slices of bread? Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 slices of bread. Then, mommy asks you to have 3 slices for breakfast. Let's take away the 3 slices that you will be having for breakfast. Here we go. 3 slices of bread for breakfast. Keep it separately. Boom. So, how many slices of bread do you have left? How many slices of bread do you have left? We've taken away 3. 9 minus 3. Let's count. How many slices of bread do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9 slices of bread minus 3 slices of bread gives us 6 slices of bread, which means 9 things minus 3 things equals 6. So subtraction means taking away. Now that you have an idea of what subtraction means, let's solve some examples using our counting sheet. Do you have your counting sheet? Please get one if you don't, because don't count on your notebook so that your book does not look rough. I have a separate note for counting. So here is my counting sheet. It is time to count. What do we use to count? Do we use circles or do we draw strokes? Circles, right? So we count the first number, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we are going to take away 2. Take away 2. 1, 2. Cancelled. How many circles do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 minus 2 equals 5. To the next example, we count the first number, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't forget I told you, always draw your circles with spaces in between so that we don't make mistakes. I go and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see, you may make mistakes while you are counting. This is wrong. This is how to count. So minus 4. Let's take away 4 balls. 4 circles, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many we have left? 1. 5 minus 4 equals 1.